Alright, today on William's Adventures, I'm going to show you the progress I've made with my Mandalorian costume and current layout and ideas and stuff like that. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I got going on. Blaster. So what I did, as you can see here, I filled in this piece here and added this on. I'm thinking about making another one of these so it has definition, but I kind of dig it. And then I sanded this semi-flat and glued the top on here, as you can see here. Now I still have quite a bit of work to do, like for example, I need to fill this area in here with Bondo and fill this in here so it's smooth. So I still got quite a bit of work to do, but it's getting closer. Now, for down here, let me get the pattern over here. You'll see that there is a butt plate right here. And here is the current pistol grip. So I need to figure out how to add the butt plate. So what I did was, after some tinkering around and making a pattern for here, I came up with this. And this thing is thick. As you can see here, it is almost 1.5 inches thick, layered multiple times, and it's just rough cut out. And what it does is it fits on here like this. Now it is rough cut out, so it's not perfect, but as you can see, it's bigger than what I need, which is ideal. So that means I can modify it down to the size I need it. So I still got to sand this smooth and actually finish it onto here before I do anything else. And then I have all these details in here to still work on. And what I'm thinking is I'm going to keep this angled piece right here with this bubble on top, because I think that's cool and adds a different bit of definition from this square or rectangular piece here. But that's currently the blaster pistol. Now I did lay out the knees. I downloaded the pattern, printed it off, and downloaded all the bits and parts that I wanted. So that is my current progress. And as you can see here, I modified it quite a bit because there was actually a tail that came off here, off this section here, that ran up here. But it put this way at the back of my knee, and I didn't like that. This actually puts it at the side of my knee. And then, of course, the little rockets and stuff come off here, because this actually is shaped like this, if you can see here. And so this is kind of like a side guard for the rockets and stuff. And then what I'm going to do is do this. I think this is right, where the shape of the knee matches the shape here. I might have these upside down, I don't know. I think this is right. And then I have other rocket pieces that I have here. Like this is what it should look like from the front. There you go. And here's another one, what it should look like from the front. And like this here, piece here is what this would look like if you're looking at it from the front. Like this. So that's what I currently got going on. I don't know what this is. It's some kind of knee dart block something, but I have no idea what this is. So if you do, let me know and put it down in the comments and I will try to figure it out. But that's the current knee part. And then I have the thigh piece over here, which I downloaded and printed out. And this is the inside, and this is the outside of the thigh. So, like, for example, this piece here is for the left, and then I have to reverse this for the right. No, yeah. Like, this is the way it looked from the left for the left side, and then reverse this, and this is what it looked like for the right side. But that's what I got going on there. And as of course, I haven't put the back piece on yet. And if you know about this cod piece here, let me know down in the comments what you did to get this angle or if you even messed with it. Because I have no idea. So I'm still trying to figure this piece out here. And there's the template I have for the blaster pistol. As you can see, it's two different pieces. Because I made this piece here and then like cut it up into two different pieces so I could get the angles I wanted. But there we go. All right. Well, thank you for joining me today on William's Adventures. And let's go on an adventure and create something new.